And 342 Oceanview with large balcony. So we know what the cabin looks like. It's going to be the same. Let's go right to the balcony. Let's see the large balcony. Okay, so it's a little larger than the normal. So this is indeed a large balcony. And other than that, it is your standard balcony room, identical to the Central Park views.
The ocean?
This is an Oceanview balcony.
Oh, I want to see the ocean.
So there you go. Ocean view balcony with large balcony, icon of the seas. Don't forget to find the hidden safe right there. Most people wouldn't know to lift the mirror. And real quick, standard bathroom. Oh, I should have left the light on. Standard bathroom. So there you go.